The second one is this exercise here. We go into level. I do this. You see here? He's going to do this. On that, you see here. It's like this. You go a little bit looser. You see here? And if I'm tight, throw it to here. I have to reduce that move onto his stand hand. He cracks. So the training is, I'm here. He does this on me. Like see this on me. Imitate it. You see that here? Bottom. He flips it. So do yourself. That power. On that power, he's doing that to me. I have to learn. That's the training. You have to do these two to fight. Because there are two people on earth. There are only two. One will strike you, one will break you. Even with a leg, same idea. One will kick you, one will trip you. There are only these two moves. So you train this here. This is the fight. This one is this here. You've seen this in Chen Tai Chi, right? First move. That's why it's very difficult. First move. And this one here, cannon fist. After this here, I go. So this is just to show you. After that, so the idea is he does this. That's why his leg is there. If I'm strong, he cracks a little bit. Can you see? And this is sideways. If I go like this, I'm going to escape. He goes down. Can you see? It's very tight. I have nowhere to go. But if I have this ability, and now the next move here is here, it's here. I go right through. That's enough. I turn it to this move. So this move is I catch this. What do you call this? Sternum. Sternum. And this one catches the tailbone. Fold the two into. Okay. So that's the group from here. Every time you're caught. I showed you guys a lot. You should train. But all of this has to be stable.